are hitting the rift. Unicorns of Love against H2K getting into this one.
Package.
They don't have TP, we don't know where's Rek'Sai, we don't know where's Rek'Sai.
Go!
Rek'Sai top. Kill the Rek'Sai.
I slowed him.
Gravity field and he's been stunned out. Chachi jumps into the fight. Vanna's dropping low. Here comes the Greyhound. Odoalde still alive. Lazarus fight is keeping everyone alive from H2K. H2K close in on Unicorns of Love's Nexus. They take the victory. The Ignite coming out. Spirit following up as well. Here comes the spear. Lands onto Brattle. Nice! That's a 5-4-1, and Fnatic will close in for that win.
XTSM jungle.
Okay.
Oh my god, Maurice, salty baguette.
Wait, why am I salty, dude? I go there, I win one championship, go top 8 in Worlds, and go back.
Wait, and then you won a championship? I like how...
And yes.
Top 8 sounds
Is that the championship?
Yeah, let's see mid lane though.
Yeah, there's that fight. There goes the Gangplank ulti, and all of a sudden, Splyce the one's taking a whole lot of damage backing away, and the TP in for Power of Evil meant that they could turn the tables and pick up for Amazing. Power shut down on the back half, but it may not be nearly enough. And Origen with another win.
Kalista out of the fight. Victor. Kalista is out of the fight. I'm chasing.
Go end that's five.
They've taken down G2 for only the second time in the spring split.
Go mid.
Giants are going to get their first win of the spring split.